Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be swatching out some polishes that I got from Madam Glam. I'm going to run through these real quick. This one is called Lucky Number 9. This is a beautiful purpley blue color. Then we have Eden Garden, which is this bright green. We got Daystar, this beautiful bright orange. Quarita, which is a nice sunshine yellow color. Then we have Glam Element, which is a super pretty bright pink. I absolutely love these colors. I think they're perfect for summer, even though summer's just about over, but nonetheless, they're still perfect. I want to say that I may have swatched this yellow color before, but I wasn't quite sure, so I just wanted to throw it in there in case I ended up using it in today's video. Here's everything all swatched out with a matte top coat. Again, perfect for summer colors in spring. Going to be doing some soft gel tips today. So these ones here from One Day Saving. Taking my 8-in-1 nail glue gel from Born Pretty, applying that on all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. This is just a base coat that you apply to your nails so your soft gel cover tips have something to hold on to. Getting out my little flexi mini lamp here that I got on Amazon. Everything that I use is linked down below in my description box. Applying these on at a 45-degree angle. Here's how we're looking with everything applied and cured in the lamp for a full minute. I'm going in with this color from Makartt. I don't know the name of it, it doesn't have a name on it, but we're using this as a nude base shade. I actually really like this color. I only applied one coat because I was going to go over most of the color, so one coat was perfect. Going in with Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, I'm going to apply that on all of the nails and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Taking that yellow shade Quarita, and I'm going to place that here on my palette. I'm going in with a sponge, and we're going to just stamp this onto the center part of my nail. Do a few practice stamps to get out a lot of that color. You just want the color to be soaked into the sponge so you can damp it onto the nail, and you don't get too much color to where it spills out. So we're just doing that gently. I apologize for my camera moving around like crazy. It's attached to my table, so it does that. But I'm just going to apply this on all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. You can build this color up, so if you feel like it needs another coat, go ahead and do it after you cure it. My original thought was I was going to go in with the orange color that I swatched at the beginning, but when I tried it, it was too light. It wasn't dark enough to be able to see on top of the yellow. So now I'm going to go in with this blue color. This is also from Madam Glam, called Behind the Scenes, and this is a beautiful midnight blue. And I'm just going to stamp that in the center of the yellow of what we just did. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. We're going to be going in with some chrome, so I'm taking a no white top coat, I'm applying that on all of my nails, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Taking my Kara Sky Rub On Chrome, this color is Silver Lining, and I'm just going to apply this to the entire nail. I do find this to be the easiest way to apply chrome without having to go through and re-top coat everything. This is only if you're looking to have a shiny surface. If you're looking to do it matte, you will have to do it a different way. But if you're looking to have a shiny top coat to be the end all be all, then this is the best way to do it. Apply chrome over the entire nail, go in with some top coat, create your design. You're going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then you're just going to wipe away the rest of the chrome, and you're left with a fun swirly design on top of your nail art. So here's the finished design. I do like the way that these came out. I do think these would look really good matte as well. What's really fun about this design is that you can literally make these any color and they will look just as good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!